Have identified a new species of giant anacondas.
By a green anaconda, the world's largest and most powerful snake.
Imagine you're in a boat on the Amazon River. The water looks dark and mysterious. What if there's a creature below, 10 times bigger than your boat, hiding in the shadows? Or one that can disappear right before your eyes, blending seamlessly with its surroundings? What about the rulers of the river, who are said to swarm and demolish large animals in minutes? I bet you haven't heard all their stories. The Amazon is full of creatures like this, huge, strong, and some even poisonous. And guess what? Explorers have recently discovered the largest snake ever found in this forest. Welcome back to another amazing episode of Forever Green. Today we'll show you the 20 deadliest creatures of the Amazon rainforest. And just when you think you've seen it all, wait until you hear about a newly discovered giant lurking in the water, dwarfing all its kin. Are you brave enough to learn about these amazing and scary animals? If so, click subscribe and get ready. Bushmaster Snake. Bushmasters are known for their distinctive triangular head, heat-sensing pits between their eyes and nostrils, and a striking pattern that camouflages them perfectly against the forest floor. The Bushmaster snake is recognized as the largest pit viper in the world, with adults often reaching over 8 feet in length. This snake is not only remarkable for its size, but also for its potent venom. The venom of the Bushmaster is highly toxic and can be deadly to humans if not treated promptly. It's a hemotoxin, which means it affects the blood and tissues, leading to severe swelling, pain, and potentially fatal systemic reactions. However, Bushmasters are generally shy and avoid human encounters. Bites are rare and usually occur when the snake is provoked or accidentally stepped on. Candiru. The Candiru, often referred to as the vampire fish, is one of the Amazon River's most strange and talked about creatures. This small, slender fish is famous for a weird and kind of creepy way of eating. Instead of eating plants or little fish like other fish do, it goes after bigger fish and sometimes people, but not in the way you might think. It's said that this little fish can swim up the streams of urine to enter the urethras of swimmers and bathers in the Amazon waters. Once inside, it can lodge itself in place, making it extremely difficult and painful to remove. Now, if you're feeling a bit uneasy hearing this, you're not alone. The thought of a fish making its way into such personal places is enough to make anyone squirm. However, it's worth noting that actual confirmed cases of this happening are extremely rare. Black Cayman. The black cayman is a real giant among the creatures living in the Amazon River, and it's not one to be taken lightly. This huge reptile is one of the largest members of the crocodilian family. When we say large, we're talking about an animal that can grow up to 20 feet long. The black cayman is not just big, it's also very aggressive. This isn't a creature that likes to back down. Whether it's defending its territory, hunting for food, or protecting its young, the black cayman is always ready to stand its ground. Its powerful jaws can crush bones, making it a formidable hunter that can take down a variety of prey, including fish, birds, and even larger mammals that come near the water. In the past, they were heavily hunted for their valuable skin. Thankfully, conservation efforts have been put in place to protect these wonderful creatures. Parara. The Parara, also known as the vampire fish, is one of the Amazon River's most fascinating and frightening inhabitants. This name comes from its distinctive feature: large, sharp fangs on its lower jaw, which can grow up to 6 inches long. These fangs are so long that the Parara has slots in its upper jaw to accommodate them when its mouth is closed. But why does the Parara have such dramatic teeth? The answer lies in its diet. The Parara is a carnivorous fish that hunts other fish, using its impressive fangs to stab its prey. This method of hunting is highly effective in the fast-moving waters of the Amazon River, where the Parara lives and hunts. For those living or exploring near the Amazon River, The Parara is a reminder of the river's wildness. Poison dart frog. The poison dart frog is famous for its brightly colored skin and the potent toxins it secretes. These amphibians are a diverse group with colors ranging from deep blues and greens to radiant yellows and reds. Their colorful skin is not just for show. It serves as a warning to predators about the frog's toxicity, a phenomenon known as aposematism. Poison dart. Frogs derive their name from indigenous practices of coating the tips of blow darts with their toxin for hunting. The secret behind the frog's toxicity lies in their diet. Poison dart frogs consume various small insects, including ants and termites, which contain toxic substances. The frogs' bodies gather and make their poisons stronger over time, making them harmful to animals that might try to eat them. Redbellied piranha. The red-bellied piranhas are one of the Amazon's most famous residents. These medium-sized creatures are known for their distinctive red underbelly, which gives them their name. They typically grow to about 8 inches in length, but what they lack in size, they make up for with their reputation. These fish are known for their strong, razor-sharp teeth and an impressive bite force, which allows them to quickly dismantle their prey. Their diet mainly consists of fish, insects, and occasionally larger animals that fall into the water. One of the most famous aspects of red-bellied piranhas is their supposed feeding frenzy, where groups of piranhas are said to swarm and demolish large animals in minutes. However, these behaviors are relatively rare and usually occur only when the piranhas are extremely stressed or hungry. Tegu lizard. The tegu lizard is among the largest lizard found in South America, with some species reaching lengths of up to 4 feet from head to tail. They possess a robust build, powerful limbs, and a strong tail that they can use for defense. These large and powerful lizards can inflict serious injury with their bite. Tegus have a unique black and white pattern that helps them hide in the patchy sunlight on the forest ground. This coloration is more than just camouflage, however. It also plays a role in thermoregulation, helping these cold-blooded animals manage their body temperature in the varying climates of their habitat. One of the most fascinating aspects of tegu lizards is their intelligence. They are some of the smartest reptiles, showing an ability to learn and solve problems that is not common in other reptiles. Golden poison frog. The golden poison frog is a small creature with a big reputation. The reason it's called golden is because of its bright, shiny color. This isn't just for show. The color is a nature's warning sign, telling everyone who sees it to stay away because it's very poisonous. The poison that the golden poison frog carries in its skin is super powerful. In fact, it's so strong that just a tiny amount, if it gets into your body, can be fatal. Scientists have found that the poison from just one frog could be enough to harm a lot of people. This frog doesn't make its poison for fun. It's actually a way to protect itself from being eaten in the wild. Animals that might want to snack on the frog will see its bright color and remember that it's not a good idea. It's like the frog is saying, "Look how bright and colorful I am. That means I'm very dangerous." Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider is considered one of the most venomous spiders on Earth. The venom of the Brazilian wandering spider is particularly potent, containing a powerful neurotoxin. This toxin can cause not only intense pain, but also serious medical conditions such as paralysis and respiratory problems in humans. However, this spider is not only known for its potent venom, but also for its unique behavior. Unlike many spiders that remain within a web, the Brazilian wandering spider roams the forest floor at night in search of prey, which is how it earned its name. These spiders are relatively large, with leg spans reaching up to 5 inches or more. They are also known for their aggressive posture when threatened. They will raise their front legs and may even charge at the perceived threat, which can be a surprising experience. Arapa. The Arapa, also known as pirarucu, is one of the largest freshwater fish in the world, capable of growing up to 10 feet in length and weighing as much as 440 pounds. Arapaimas have tough, armored scales, which are incredibly resistant to piranha bites, providing effective protection against potential predators. The arapaima is an apex predator in its own right. Their main food is fish, but they also eat birds and small mammals that come too close to the water. The arapaima's hunting strategy is as impressive as its size. They can create a powerful vacuum as they open their large mouths, sucking in water and prey with formidable force. One of their most distinctive features is their ability to breathe air using a specialized labyrinth organ, a necessity due to the oxygen-poor waters of their Amazonian habitat. This adaptation requires them to surface for air approximately every 20 minutes. Talking about one of the largest freshwater fish, you must watch our video on Top 10 Largest Fish Alive on Planet Earth. Now move on to our next animal. Giant Amazon leech. The giant Amazon leech is far from the average leech. It can grow up to 18 inches in length, making it one of the largest leech species in the world. Giant Amazon leeches have a unique feeding process. They are parasitic, feeding on the blood of mammals and fish. However, unlike many other leeches that might attach for a quick meal, the giant Amazon leech can consume several times its body weight in blood in a single feeding session. This impressive feat is made possible by their large size and the anticoagulant properties of their saliva, which prevents the host's blood from clotting while they feed. Interestingly, the giant Amazon leech has also contributed to medical science. Research into the anticoagulant properties of leech saliva has led to advancements in medical treatments, including therapies to prevent blood clots and improve circulation. Tarantula. The tarantulas are one of the Amazon's most recognizable creatures, with their imposing size and hairy bodies. Amazonian tarantulas come in various species, each with its unique patterns and colors ranging from deep blacks and browns to more vibrant hues. Despite their fearsome reputation, tarantulas are not aggressive towards humans and will only bite if provoked or threatened. The most fascinating aspect of tarantulas is their hunting method. They are ambush predators, lying in wait for insects, small birds, lizards, and even rodents. When prey approaches, they strike quickly, using their venom to immobilize the victim before consumption. Moreover, tarantulas are known for their elaborate mating dances, where males must approach females with caution to avoid being mistaken for prey. Amazonian giant centipede. The Amazonian giant centipede, known scientifically as Scolopendra gigantea, is one of the largest centipedes in the world, with individuals often reaching over 12 inches in length. The Amazonian giant centipede is a voracious predator, capable of taking down a wide range of prey. Its diet includes insects, tarantulas, small birds, lizards, frogs, and even bats. It hunts primarily at night, using its speed and agility to overtake prey, and its powerful jaws to deliver a venomous bite. The venom is not only potent enough to quickly immobilize its prey, but can also be dangerous to humans. The Amazonian giant centipede grows by going through several molts, where it sheds its outer layer multiple times until it's fully grown. During this time, when it's growing a new outer layer, the centipede is at risk and needs to stay away from predators until its new layer gets hard. Harpy Eagle. Harpy Eagle is one of the largest and most powerful raptors in the Amazon rainforest. With a wingspan reaching up to 7 feet and equipped with talons as large as a bear's claws, the Harpy Eagle is capable of capturing big animals, including monkeys and sloths. This bird of prey prefers the high canopies of the rainforest, where it reigns supreme. Harpy eagles are distinguished by their striking appearance. They have a gray crest of feathers on their head that they can lift up or put down whenever they want. Most of their body is covered in deep black feathers, while their undersides are white. Their large, powerful beaks are perfectly designed for tearing into the flesh of their prey. However, the reproduction cycle of the Harpy Eagle is slow. They mate for life and typically raise only one chick every 2 to 3 years. Lancehead Viper. The lancehead viper, specifically the genus Bothrops, represents one of the most formidable snake species found in the Amazon rainforest. This group includes several species, with the fer-de-lance being one of the most well-known. Lancehead vipers are characterized by their distinctive triangular-shaped heads, which are wider than their necks, and their heat-sensing pits located between their eyes and nostrils, allowing them to detect warm-blooded prey even in total darkness. They can reach lengths of up to 6 feet, although most are smaller. These snakes are highly venomous and are considered responsible for more human snakebite incidents in the Amazon than any other group of snakes. The venom of lancehead vipers is hemotoxic, meaning it destroys blood cells, disrupts clotting, and can cause tissue damage. If you want to find out which snake is the most venomous of all, you can check out 10 most venomous snakes in the world on 4 Evergreen. Now let's get back to our video. Bullet ant. The bullet ant, known scientifically as Paraponera clavata, is infamous for delivering one of the most painful stings in the insect world. The bullet ant reminds us that size does not always equate to danger. Bullet ants are relatively large for ants, reaching up to 1.2 inches in length. Their name comes from reports that the sensation of their sting is comparable to being shot, with the pain described as immediate, intense, and lasting for up to 24 hours. Despite their fearsome reputation, bullet ants live mainly at the bottom of trees and are good at climbing. They can go up high into the treetops to find food. The social structure of bullet ant colonies is also of interest. They are eusocial insects, with a clear division of labor between workers, males, and the queen. The workers are responsible for foraging, caring for the young, and defending the nest with their painful stings. Giant anaconda. This is particularly the newly discovered species of green anaconda, identified in 2023, that we are talking about. Anacondas, in general, are known for their impressive size, but the giant anaconda takes this to another level. These snakes can grow much longer than the more commonly known sizes of around 20 to 30 feet. Living in the waterways of the Amazon, these snakes are adept swimmers and use the water to their advantage. They are ambush predators, lying in wait for their prey to come close before striking with incredible speed and power. Their diet is as varied as the Amazon itself, including fish, birds, and mammals, even occasionally taking down large prey such as capybaras or caimans. The giant anaconda catches its prey by squeezing it. It wraps its powerful body around the victim and tightening its coils until the prey can no longer breathe. If you're amazed by this newly discovered giant anaconda, don't forget to watch 4 Evergreen's video on 10 biggest snakes ever captured. Now let's get back to our video. Electric eel. The electric eel, scientifically known as Electrophorus electricus, is one of the Amazon River's most electrifying inhabitants. This creature is not actually an eel, but a type of knife fish, and it possesses an extraordinary ability to generate powerful electric shocks. It can produce shocks of up to 600 volts, which is enough to stun prey and deter predators. Electric eels can grow up to 8 feet in length, and they spend most of their lives in the muddy bottoms of the Amazon River and its tributaries. The electric eel's diet mainly consists of fish, amphibians, and occasionally small mammals and birds that happen to be close enough to the water's edge. They locate their prey through a low-voltage electric field that they emit, which helps them navigate the murky waters. Once they detect a potential meal, they use a high-voltage shock to disable it. Jaguar. The jaguar stands as one of the Amazon rainforest's most iconic and revered predators. Known for its striking coat marked with beautiful rosettes, the jaguar is the largest big cat in the Americas and the 3rd largest in the world. after tigers and lions. Adult jaguars can weigh between 100 to 250 pounds, with some males reaching even greater sizes, and they can be up to 6 feet long, not including their tail, which can add another 2.5 feet in length. Their strength and powerful jaws allow them to take down virtually any prey within their territory, including caimans, large snakes, deer, capybaras, and even anacondas. Jaguars have a unique killing method. They deliver a fatal bite directly to the skull, piercing the brain. Their preference for water is notable among big cats. This aquatic ability aids them in hunting a diverse diet that includes fish, turtles, and other riverine creatures. Giant otter. The giant otter is the largest of its kind, reaching lengths of up to 6 feet from head to tail in adults. This size, combined with its sociable nature and playful behavior, has earned it the affectionate nickname river wolf among locals. While the giant otter is generally known for its playful nature and social behavior, it's important to recognize that it can also be a formidable and dangerous creature within its environment. Giant otters are equipped with powerful jaws, sharp teeth, and strong, muscular bodies, making them highly effective hunters. Their primary diet consists of fish, but they are also known to take on more formidable prey, such as piranhas, snakes, and even small caimans. They are fiercely protective of their family groups. When threatened or provoked, giant otters can become aggressive, using their teeth and numbers to defend themselves and their kin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating adventures from 4 Evergreen.